Sobha Woodworking and Joinery, Dubai, is one of the leading bespoke traditional and contemporary joinery producers in the Middle East. Sobha Joinery is part of the reputed Sobha Group, which is amongst the largest and fully backward integrated real estate developers with a pedigree of over 4 decades, operating in over 30 cities across India, Middle East and France. Sobha Joinery Dubai is an expansive purpose-built integrated woodworking facility, catering to leading residential, commercial and retail projects on turnkey basis. The computer-guided saws and automated table guarantees precision cutting with no scratches and efficient material handling. The CNC machines offer superior machining technology for highly efficient production of cabinetry, furniture, windows, doors, interior fittings and many other components. The integrated glue application system delivers precise veneer splicing from 0.25 to 5 mm thickness without visible joint. This stitchless machine utilizes the leading technology available in the industry. Our highly skilled and experienced carpenters adopt personal responsibility, whether working alone or in a team, in process quality control, workflow organization, self-management, team skills, problem solving, and of course creativity are amongst their key attributes. This fully automated through-feed finishing line is equipped with multiple CNC-controlled oscillating spray heads, ensuring precise quality and consistency for matte, gloss and high-gloss finishes. An enclosed automated stacking dryer ensures that the product which emerges is ready for handling. The spray booth allows high-quality paint finishes in a dust-free and climate-controlled environment. The adjacent drying room ensures dust-free curing conditions for consistently perfect finishes. At Sobha, quality is a habit, as mistakes are largely irreversible and have a very high cost. An established QC process for every step helps us in seamless management. With due diligence to our processes and systems, with a focus on high-quality packaging, we ensure that our goods arrive at their destination undamaged and with accurate documentation. Every project of ours bears the hallmark of quality, thanks to our technology-backed workforce of over 400 craftsmen and support staff. Several hundred completed projects bear testimony to our commitment to working in partnership with our clients and stakeholders. Sobha, the other name for brilliance, emulates in every project of ours. With Sobha, wave goodbye to compromise and say hello to excellence.